Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Chop the chocolate finely so every piece melts quickly and evenly. Heat your cream to just below boiling. Tiny bubbles show it's ready. Pour the hot cream directly over the chocolate and let it sit 3 minutes without stirring. That allows heat to begin emulsifying the cocoa butter and sugar. This step creates a smooth phase before agitation. Once the chocolate softens, you'll be ready to bring the mixture together with gentle motion, not force. You now gently fold the chocolate and cream together, stirring from the center outward until you see a glossy emulsion form. Slow motion prevents incorporating air. If the ganache looks grainy or separated, add 1 teaspoon of warm cream or melted butter and stir. That supplies extra fat to reunite the emulsion. For persistent breakage, use an immersion blender in very short bursts while keeping the head submerged to avoid whipping in air. Make sure temperature differences are small to prevent further splitting. Finish by letting the ganache cool at room temperature until it reaches the desired thickness for spreading or dipping, then chill briefly if you need it firmer. If it becomes too stiff, warm it gently over a warm water bath and stir until smooth. Do not microwave directly or you'll risk re-breaking it. If reunification fails, make a fresh small ganache and whisk the broken ganache into it slowly. That creates a stable emulsion. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.